Hello everyone and welcome to the 18 of 30 faces in 30 days. I know I already did a portrait with my Dotspen just a few days ago, but my new toy was just sitting on my desk staring at me and I just couldn't help myself. I just couldn't resist. It's such a fun pen to use that I just had to do another one. For my second try, I tried to improve my technique and I tried to be more methodical. So I kind of did the outline as well as work on the values, and I blocked in all the darks. And then halfway through the video, you'll see that I added more darks. I really emphasized the contrast between the light and the dark. So I worked on my values a lot more. And by doing that, I was able to use the pen a different way. I think the first time I used it, I was trying to rush. I was going back and forth with it a bit too fast, and I was never able to achieve such darks. So this time I was just taking my time. I was still on the second speed and I was taking my time going over some areas. And by doing that, I ended up making things go faster because I was more efficient. So I'm learning better ways to use my pen, and it's more and more enjoyable. Also, I think my hand's getting used to hold it at that angle and it's not getting as tired as it was the first time. So that's also a good thing. And altogether, it's such a fun pen to use. I already said that, I know, and like I said with my other videos using this Dotspen, I will definitely, once this challenge is over, do a proper video where I actually show you how it works. And I have real-time parts so that you can actually see how the tip goes up and down and how it actually makes the dots on the paper and all that. And I'll be trying also watercolor. And I'm thinking about doing a third portrait also with this pen for the challenge and adding watercolor, but I have to test it out because the ink seems to take quite a while to dry. So I want to make sure I use the right paper and that the ink is totally dry before I add my watercolors. So that's another exciting project coming up. I hope you liked this video. I really enjoyed drawing this. It took me just a little under 2.5 hours, but time flew really fast because I had a lot of fun doing it. It's very addicting and very satisfying. You just want to put dots everywhere. So anyway, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing to this channel. Have a wonderful day, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow with day 19. We're getting close to the final stretch of this challenge. Yes, I'm excited. Bye-bye.